So check it out. I've done some work on my Hershey train that I got the other day, made by K-Line, the work train. I put a warm white 5mm LED in it. It fits right in the headlight hole perfectly, and I just use a little fun tack to hold it in place. And I also put a reproduction horn in it. This is what K-Line used for their headlight. It was supposed to take light from the cab and reflect it up through, but the problem is where they glued it to the shell, it creates a spot that blocks the light, so they don't work very well. So I take them out, and I use 5mm LEDs. And I also have a couple other S2s I want to run with it, made by K-Line. I've got the Hershey milk chocolate unit. We'll bring that up. And that also has a revolving searchlight. I've got a Lionel Crackle piggyback there. I've got a Hershey one that I made. And I also put that on a Marx flat car. I put a couple of Lionel couplers on there. You slip the axles right through and they'll pop right on. And a Lionel box car that I fixed tonight. I'm not sure what year that was made, but I think it was made in the 60s. And then I have the K-Line Crackle caboose that I got when I bought the S2. And I've also put a Lionel reproduction bell on this one. And then I also have my S2 Coca-Cola train. And I've added, of course, the K-Line searchlight that has the little Coca-Cola beacon in it. It's really neat, and has an old-time truck with some barrels on it. And I've got a couple of K-Line Christmas Coca-Cola cars. And then I've got a Coca-Cola Lionel caboose, and one that K-Line used, a Marx mold bay window Coca-Cola that I just got recently. So I thought I'd take them all for a spin. You can check them out. Here we go. Pick the camera up so you can get a little bit different angle of them. You can follow them around a little bit. You see, they all run really good. K-Line really did some neat stuff with those Marx molds. Put the camera back down. Some nice theme trains that they have. All right, they all run great. I love the new headlights that I put in them. They look so much better. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.